Hello friends, welcome to Cook and Bake with Ashima. Today's recipe is banana and blueberry cake. It's a very tasty and a very easy to make tea time cake. These are the ingredients required to make the same, and as always, we'll divide the ingredients into dry and wet ones. Dry ingredients required are maida 4 cups, powdered sugar 1.5 cups, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. The wet ingredients required are 4 fully ripened bananas, half a cup of blueberry fruit pulp, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of oil and a few drops of vanilla essence. The point to note here is you can also use those bananas in this recipe which might have gone a little squishy or black on the peel. So don't throw those bananas, this is the perfect recipe and use them here. So let's begin. First of all, peel and mash the bananas in a bowl. Next, sift all the dry ingredients in the mashed bananas using a whisk or a spatula. Next, gradually add the remaining wet ingredients to this mixture and make a smooth batter. At this point, it is best to transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl and blend using a hand blender or a stand mixer because the cake mix can get a little thick and difficult to manage. Mix everything and bring it to a smooth pouring consistency. But if you think that the mixture is a little too thick, you can also add a little more milk to make it more manageable. Now add most of the blueberry pulp in this cake batter and blend well, but save some about 10% to top the cake later. This is how the cake mix should look once all the mixing and blending is done. Next, grease a baking dish and dust with flour. Also, meanwhile, start preheating the convection oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next, pour the mixture in the baking dish up to 3/4 level. And remember, this quantity of batter will give you 2 such big cake loaves. Next, top the cake with the blueberry pulp. In case you don't have 2 cake loaf baking trays, then you can make some bun cake or some cupcakes also with the remaining batter. Now place the cake loaves in the preheated oven in convection mode and bake them for 40 to 45 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. But remember, if you're also baking the cupcakes or the bun cakes, then the time required for those will be 20 to 25 minutes. Use a skewer to check if the cake is done or not. Once done, remove the cake carefully from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for at least half an hour before demolding. Remember that this cake will have a bread-like texture. Once cooled, demold the cake and cut it into slices. The longer you let the cake cool, the better and the easier it will be to cut the cake slices. But trust me, I couldn't wait that long. Now you can either have the cake as it is or you can serve it with a dollop of your favorite ice cream and some chocolate syrup. In case you plan to have the cake at a later time, make sure you heat it in the microwave before having it. And there, your awesomely yummy banana and blueberry cake is ready to eat. Thanks for watching this video. For more such interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for detailed text recipes, log into my website. Thank you.